up YouTube? Peugeot 308 2011 model. Today we're gonna be doing diagnose on how to diagnose bad fuel injector. First things first, sinaksakan natin ang computer, no? Dito tayo. Ito direct to the point ito. Walang pa sikot-sikot ito. So plug and play lang ito na diagnostics. So ma-determine natin kung whether or not bad yung fuel injector 3 or number 4 or number 2 or number 1 injectors. So malalaman natin dito kung meron siyang misfire or bad fuel injector, no? So this is how to determine bad fuel injector. Okay, cylinder number 1 in circuit. Cylinder number. So tingnan natin yung stopper dito. Although inano natin, tinanggal natin yung disconnect natin yung ano muna, yung kanyang mga connectors. And then one thing we're gonna determine here, why nagkakaroon siya ng power circuit, no? So tatanggalin natin yung return. We're gonna be removing the return fuel or return pipe, and then we're gonna be determine if the flow of the return is faster. That means the injector is bad. So pull up. See, malakas po yung ano ng injector. Return niya malakas. Sobrang lakas po. So the injector is bad. Okay. So malakas yung fuel, return fuel niya. And then of course pag malakas, may konti na lang yung pumapasok dito. And then yung kanyang cylinder number 1, injector open circuit. Ito yung number 1. I-press natin yung wire dito kung bakit siya nagka-open circuit. Ayos naman. May mga ano na rin kasi itong ano na to, mga cable tie na. May pagpaalam natin sa mayari na fuel injector number 4 is a bad, no? So yeah. So ang andar nito, ganito na talaga yung andar. And then minabuti natin first things first, we're doing the the timing, pero we're having no doubt that the timing is good. And then we actually set up the timing is good. We change the timing belt and the timing is good. And then here comes now the fuel injector here back. So this is how you gonna diagnose, guys, fuel injector bad. Again, tatanggalin natin yung kanyang return pipe. Pag malakas po yung daloy ng pressure, so sobrang lakas po, so the fuel injector is bad. As you can see, malakas po yan. Sabihan natin yung mayari, i-press natin yung wire dito, wala namang sira, walang putol o whatever. 4. So injector number 4 is bad because we check the backflow or the return 5. The backflow is very strong, so obviously injector number 4 is bad. And then gonna try to delete this one here. Still coming back on again. Then we're gonna replace the injector. Okay, cheers. There is injector number 4 back on again. Still coming back on. I'm gonna put it in here. Injector number 4 bad. So as you can see, tinanggal natin kanina yung injector number 4, and the backflow on the return 5 is very high. So injector number 4 is bad. So you determine on how to find out bad injector. Go. Still the owner that need to replace the injector. So actually nag-decide tayo na ano, first thing first, we're gonna set up the timing, and then of course we need to change the timing belt and everything, so to determine whether or not the timing is good or bad. So confirm, set up the timing, change the timing belt, and then the last thing to do is to replace the injector number 4. Hopefully once the injector number 4 replace, hopefully that issue will be gone, because we check the wirings is okay, no cut off, no cutting, no cut off, or walang putol na wiring. Meron siyang wiring na like nabalata, no, pero it's nothing to do with that thing. Nabalatan lang yun, pero ang wiring strand niya is intact pa, so that's okay. And the important thing is hindi putol, no, yung wire, or the wire is still intact. Yeah, so we're gonna be telling the owner to replace the injector, change the injector, or buy new injector. That's it. Thank you. So guys, as we know, to determine bad injector, I remove the return 5, and the return 5, obviously once I remove the return 5, obviously the backflow is too high. That means if the backflow or the return flow is too high, then the injector is bad. So that has to be like changed. Okay, and then we also change the timing belt and the water pump, just to make sure that the timing is okay. And we all know that the timing is okay. It starts in one click now, and the only thing is just like a misfire from the injector number 4, but so that's how you gonna determine bad injector. Again, remove the return 5 of the injector, and then if the backflow is too high, then bad injector. That's it. Thank you.